Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Scorpio Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Virgo. 10th house deal with your work environment seen from 10th house, your career, your profession, respect, your authority in life is also seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house. Your fame is also seen from 10th house along with your bosses. So right now your 10th house lord is moving in your 11th house. 11th house deal with your achievements, your gains in life, your elder siblings seen from 11th house, your gains related money is also seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So right now your 10th house lord is moving in your 11th house, so we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter in the month of October. You may have some promotion and you may have some increment in the month of October as well, because your house of work, house of career lord is moving in your achievement house, in your gains house. So we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter and your money related matter in the month of October. Sun will stay in your 11th house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your 12th house in the sign of Libra, where Ketu and Mars is already moving. So after 17th of September, when Sun will move to your 12th house, in 12th house will be your foreign settlement related matter, your isolation, your hospitalization, your spirituality related matter seen from 12th house, your donation, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. So after 17th of October, you need to take care of your work-related matter, because Sun will be moving in your 12th house after 17th of October, and 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses. So after 17th of October, you need to take care of your work colleagues and your work-related matter. You may have to face some difficulties, argument after 17th of October, because your 10th house lord will be in a 12th house, and Mars will be in a compass position. Mars is also your ascendant lord. So after 17th of October, you need to take care of your health related matter and your work related matter and your career related matter, and also you need to take care of your health related matter, because Mars is your ascendant lord, and ascendant lord will be in a compass position after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mercury controls your 8th house and your 11th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 11th house in its own sign. Means your 11th house lord is moving in its own sign, but Mercury is right now in compass position because Sun is also moving in your 11th house. But after 19th of October, Mercury will also be moved to your 12th house along with Sun, because Sun is moving in your 12th house on 17th of October, and Mercury will also move to your 12th house on 19th of October. So both the planets are moving into your 12th house side by side. So your gains lord and your sudden ups and downs lord, means 8th house will be to sudden ups and downs, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your in-laws related matter is also seen from 8th house. Your secret activity, your sexual life is also seen from 8th house. The month of October, your 8th house lord and your 11th house lord will be in a 12th house. So you have to take care of your money related matter as well after 17th of October, when Sun and Mercury will move to your 12th house, as we discussed previously in Sun section, because Mars is also moving there, and Mercury and Mars will be in a compass position after 17th of October. Also your 8th house lord is moving in your 11th house till 19th of October. So before 19th of October, you may have an unexpected gain of money in the month of October, especially before 19th of October. So we can expect these results from Mercury and Sun in the month of October for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo. Venus is just moved from your 9th house to your 10th house on 2nd of October. 7th house deal with your marriage, your legal binding is seen from 7th house, your relationships and journal is seen from 7th house, your business related matter and your business partnership also seen from 7th house. How you meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others also seen from 7th house, and your fame related matter along with 10th house is also seen from 7th house. So right now your 7th house lord and your 12th house lord is moving in your fifth house means in your 10th house. So right now your 7th house lord and your 12th house lord is moving in your 10th house. As we discussed previously, 10th house deal with your work related matters seen from 10th house, your career, your bosses, your superior, your work colleagues also seen from 10th house. So we can expect before 17th of October till Sun is moving in your 11th house, we can expect positive result regarding your money related matter, regarding your fame related matter and your career related matter as we discussed previously in Sun section, because your 7th house lord is moving in your, but after 17th of October when Sun will move to your 12th house, then as we discussed previously in Mercury and Sun section, you need to be take care of your work related matter and your colleagues related matter in the month of October. You may have to face some argument difficulties at your workplace in the month of October, especially after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of October for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Moon controls your 9th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Gemini. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of October, and on the basis of 6th October we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever Moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And if naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mars is your ascendant lord, means Mars control your first house and your 6th house. And right now Mars is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Libra. Mars is just moved from your 11th house to your 12th house on 4 of October, and Mars will stay in your 12th house till the whole month of October. Mars is moving in your 12th house. As we discussed previously, 12th house deal with your expenses, losses, isolation, hospitalization. But your 6th house deal with your diseases, your daily routine is seen from 6th house, your hidden enemies seen from 6th house, your court case, litigation, argument, fights, ability to withstand difficulties in life is seen from 6th house, is seen from 6th house. So right now your 6th house lord is moving in your 12th house, and from 12th house expecting its own house means your 6th house. So we can expect positive result regarding your court case, litigation, competition related matter in the month of October. Your hidden enemies will be suppressed in the month of October, because your 6th house lord is moving in your 12th house, and from 12th house expecting its own house. 6th house lord is watching its own house, and Jupiter is also moving there. So this will create a positive situation for you people. So we can expect positive result in the month of October regarding your 6th house related matter. Mars also controls your first house, and your first house lord is moving in your 12th house. So you need to be take care of your health related matter, as we discussed previously in Sun section, because after 17th of October when Sun will move to your 12th house, your ascendant lord will be in a combust position. So you need to be take care of your health related matter after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from all the planets for all the Scorpio ascendant people in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First of all, as we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 10th house, and Venus is just moved from your 9th house to your 10th house on 2nd October in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 12th house, and Mars is just moved from your 11th house to your 12th house on 4 October 2023 in the sign of Libra. Third major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your 11th house, and after 17th of October Sun will also move to your 12th house in the sign of Libra. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 11th house, and after 19th of October Mercury will also move to your 12th house in the sign of Libra. Last and fifth major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 11th house in the month of October. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October for all the Scorpio ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.